When I honestly say that we are really grateful for you, I sincerely mean it. We just cannot express how much we appreciate each of you.
Your brand is not what you say it is. It's what they say it is.
And that's why it's so important that you take control of the narrative and the story that you're telling the audience.
Even a micro move can create a better picture. You don't ever want to break the side with their nose for a portrait.
You need to put yourself in the room with the people who can hire you. Like Corbin has totally helped me be in the room.
If you post with a strategy, it's like cultivating a garden, and you know when, where, and how to reach that ideal audience and turn them into inquiries.
Eric, is it true that even as a small child you had six-pack abs?
I'm not even a small child. I'm 18 years old. That's what I look like at 18.
You could be 12 or 18 in that picture.
Yes. And those highlights are natural.
Sure they are.
Be kind, be humble, never stop creating. Jose, thank you for taking a chance on me.
So what is luxury? According to the dictionary, luxury is a condition of abundance or great ease and comfort. And to me, that's kind of what luxury is. It's something that is unique, that has to be experienced.
If I could have a through line, it's going to be the Kennedys and it's going to be Ralph Lauren. These are brand identities for me that I am able to consistently see interwoven through everything that I do.
I think that has helped my business because people look at my work and say, I want to look that beautiful, I want to look that elegant, I want to look that expensive. Because every time you take a picture, it has to feel expensive. That's the key.
Thank you guys. We love you so much. We appreciate all your support, and we'll see you next year.